Uses of land. Utilization of land is called land use. Land is used for different purposes. They are agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, setting up of industries. The factors that determine the pattern in which that particular region is utilized are landscape, soil, climate, minerals available in that region, availability of water, human population, use of modern technology. This dire need for more and more land is leading to dangerous environmental changes. Land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, desertification. The ways degradation of land resources can be checked are afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticide and fertilizers, checks on overgrazing,